It seems like the first half of my life is going with the default settings of reality, thinking that the best idea I have for my career is probably a fancy business card with a very fancy title on it, wearing a suit and going to some really impressive skyscraper. It wasn't until I started feeling a little bit like an alien in the boardroom. This feels very robotic and mechanical. Still, that wasn't enough to get me to transition, because the corporate world has this insane ability to keep you stuck to it. Somebody once called a salary worse than a heroin addiction. But eventually, I started feeling somewhere deep within, like a deep dissonance. I didn't even explore it further because the corporate gig kept giving me a promotion and a higher salary. I didn't listen to my inner calling to a point where I started getting anxiety attacks. It's as if reality was saying to me, look, man, you're not supposed to be in this place in this particular time at this particular moment. Since then, at any time I actually have these kind of anxious moments, there's something to be investigated.